The balloon bunny rabbit is a real pleaser and easy to make. They are so easy to make that in about 1 minute, you'll be able to make them yourself. Balloon bunnies is not just a piece of art, there's also a responsibility. If you make 2 or more of them, make sure you do not take your eyes off them even for a second, or else This happened because I was distracted by talking to you. No, wait. No, I'm not blaming you. I'm not blaming you. That's my fault. This is my fault.
Tiny bubble, make me warm all over.
Start with your balloon about 3 inches uninflated at the end. As always, start at the knot and work to the uninflated part. We're going to make a 1-inch bubble for the head. And then a couple of 4-inch bubbles for the ears. And just measure that about 4 inches or so. There's your chain. We're going to lock twist the ears together at the base. Now we're going to make a 1-inch bubble for the neck and then 2 3-inch bubbles for the front legs. There's your chain. We're going to lock twist the 2 front legs together. So there's your head, the ears, and you got your front legs. Now we're going to do about a 3 to 4 inch bubble for the body, so about right there. Now for the back legs, we're going to take what's left and we're going to fold this over to measure it and leave about an inch pass. So I'll show you what that means. See there? See like that? Okay. We want to keep this bit here and we want to mark right here. So right here in the middle of that, and that's where we're going to make a twist. Like that, and then we're going to do another one the same length. Now, we are going to lock twist this whole thing together. There's the back leg. Now all that's left is to take the front legs, tuck them into the back legs. And just like that, you've made yourself a... Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe, and maybe call animal control. And if there's a balloon animal you've always wanted but never seen, leave a comment about it, and if I'm still around, I'll make it for you. And
tiny bubble, make me warm